Hey ladies, my name's Otisha and I'm here with you from The Boss Look. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can take your measurements to have a wig made with us. It's been a difficult time and I know that no one can really come in to have a custom made wig on their head. So here is a way that you can actually have your wig made and then sent to you. All you have to do is take your measurements, send them in the post as well as email us with an image of what you would like along with your hair. Or you can let us know what lengths you require from us. This could be a closure wig, a frontal wig, or a 360 wig. So here's how you can take your measurements accurately and get it over to us. Let's get into it. So you'd want to prep. You will need a tape measure. You will also need a pen and a paper, or maybe just your phone in the notes, just to actually record your measurements. On one side it's in centimeters and the other side it's in inches. We will be using inches. In order for you to accurately take your measurements, you need to prep. So this means removing your current wig and any braids that are really chunky, or a wig on that you have already. This will allow us to measure as accurately as possible and as close to your head as possible. But not too close, because remember, you may have cane rows on and the wig still needs to have enough room to fit on top of those cane rows. When you're all ready, it's time to actually measure your head. Step 1, circumference. So this means all around your head. So what you want to do is start off with the very end in inches of your tape measure and place that directly in the center of your head. So in order to find that, you can just use your finger, find the center and place it right on it. Simple. Around your ear, and you're going to bring it all the way around the back. Keeping it nice and flat. See? Nice and flat. And I've gone just on top of my hairline. I am 21 inches circumference. Take a note of that. Measurement number 2. Front to back. Simple, right? So what you want to do is place the tape measure again in the center. However, this time, place it where you would like your lace to go. So if you would like your lace frontal to come a little low, you can just place it a little lower. If you want it to be exactly on your hairline, place it on your hairline, but also bear in mind that if you do have like cane rows or anything like that, and you have really full hair, bear in mind that over time, your hair would grow and the wig will potentially get a bit tighter. So leave about ½ an inch extra. So I'm gonna go about 1 centimeter in front of my hairline, and all you're gonna do is pull the tape measure all the way from the front to the back. And I'm going to stop 1 centimeter after my hairline. And my measurement is 14. I'm gonna make a note of that. Okay, now for measurement number 3, ear to ear, over the head. Just as easy as it sounds. See, what you want to do is place the tape measure just where the top of your ear is and bring it all the way up the top of your head and down to the other side, and that's it. Keep your finger there, and mine is 12. So far, it's 21, 14, and 12. Final step, number 4. So it's the ear to ear again, but from the front. So this is very important if you are having a lace frontal. It would show us the exact measurement to cut the frontal so it fits just right. So what you want to do again is start from here, just where your ear starts, and you're going to run it across the front of your forehead straight to the other ear, and that is your measurement. So mine is 11 inches. And it's as simple as that, guys. So now that you actually know how to take your own measurement, all you have to do is send those measurements to us along with your bundles, or let us know via email what you would like from us, what bundles, what length, what texture, and an image of what look that you want to go for. Also, please attach your address and all your details. Hope this was helpful. We look forward to hearing from you very soon, and let's keep the slay regardless of what's going on. Bye guys.